Hi, welcome to the attic. After I put together my new computer and start using it to edit the videos, I have noticed it is a little slow. And that is because the bitrate from the video from the camera is too high, so I have to reduce the bitrate from the camera, or I have to add something more in the computer, a graphics card. So, come join me and I'll show you. Okay, so this is this graphics card. Let's see what we have to deal with. A little unboxing before we put it in the computer. Look at this bag. This kind of plastic bag means that this is ESD protected, which means it is protected from electromagnetic and static electricity. So we need to be protected ourselves. And that's why I'm working on this mat span. As you obviously have seen by now, is that I do not have this band on me yet, but I'm going to soon. I'm just going to unbox this first. So this static electricity, how dangerous is it? It is not dangerous for us humans, but it is for electronics, and especially electronics with transistors and microcontrollers and microprocessors, because they will literally melt down. They can manage static electricity up to 3000 voltage. And 3000, you think that is a lot. No, it's not a lot. Static electricity for 3000 volts, you do not even feel. You can feel it the moment it passes 5000. Then you have totally fried electronics. And you have this, you're always fun to be a little static and put the finger to your baby sister, baby brother, and he will scream from pain, and that is from 10,000 volts and up. So just imagine, you don't even have to feel it before you can fry electronics. So back to work. What do we have here? In this, it was nothing. Speed setup. And thank you from Asus. Okay, we can put that aside. Now we need the computer. There it is. Now let's see. First thing we do is to use this band. Connected. Let's see. I'm sorry if you feel that I do things outside the picture. I will try to do as much as, not as much as I will try to do my best to do everything inside the picture. So then I need to move a little around. There you see it all. So what we do now is to open the computer. Then you can start to ask, is it really needed to put in a graphic card because the computer is working? Yes, it is working, but it is not working properly because the graphics card this computer is using is on board, which is on the main board. So that graphics card uses the processor from the main board and uses the memory from the main board. This graphics card has its own processor and its own memory. So it does not need any memory or processor from the main board. Which means the main board has all the power it needs to do whatever it needs, and we have all the power we need for the screens. And as I understand, it is really needed to process and edit high definition videos like 1080 and 4K. So, to work. So what I need now is, I don't know, do you see here, we have one slot there and we have one slot there for this graphics card. I'm going to use the primary slot, and for that I need to remove some here. Let's see, let's open here to see what we have to deal with. And as you see, I'm grounded. It's absolutely not a slim line. See, it is kind of big, so we need two gates to open. We have the connections I'm using HDMI and the display port. I can use DVI, but I'm already there. Maybe if I add a TV, then I add the TV on HDMI and use the screens for display port and DVI. A lot of plastic protection. We're going to remove that before we put it in the slot. So okay. Then we need to remove two of those. One. Two. And then let's take off some plastic protection. Geforce GTX. I was kind of I was looking for this kind of graphics card because it is the same brand as this motherboard. So next will be to I have more plastic to remove first. Yeah. Is it anymore now? No. Okay, let's try again. I was wrong. I thought it was those two to remove. I need to remove this one. There, and then we go click, click. Has to make sure it is properly in place. There. I'm going to put back this one. So tight, it's funny. There. Then some screws. And for some reason we always need to use a little force. There. Like that. Then some of you maybe was reacting, isn't it any power to connect? Because there's a lot of graphics cards which need extra power. But this one, no, it's not. It's plug and play. It has its power from the main board. So that's kind of cool. No extra power. There. Now it is just to bring back and start up and install some drivers and software. So let's see what we can do about that. This is always exciting. The first startup after done some major changes on the computer. So let's see what happened. And we're booting up. And of course it is only on single screen because the driver is not yet installed. So we need to take a trip in the speed setup and check out Asus support, asus.com support. Let's see.
Geforce GTX. GTX 1050.
Drivers and utilities. Hey, something happened. Okay. Windows has just installed this Microsoft driver, but still I want to have it's already installed. Geforce GTX 1050 Ti. Okay. You know, then I'm all okay. But then I don't install any more program on this one, because as long as I can avoid to install programs, especially heavy programs using a lot of memory, because this computer need its power to edit videos. Let's see. Yeah, that's okay. Then I did not had to do anything to get it installed. It got fixed all by itself. That's cool. So this video is going to be edited using this graphics card. So as you understand, this video has come to its end, and then you know what you have to do. You know this. Click like and subscribe, and also click this notification bell so you get a notification next time there's a video posted on this channel. So until next time, bye!